Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. When will the next big price jump happen for this digital currency? That's what this video is all about, and a lot more too. If you like these Pepe coin updates and plan to keep your Pepe coins for the long haul, please give this video a thumbs up. And good morning to everyone listening today from every corner of the globe. But, as always, let's jump right into the video. This is not monetary counsel. Let's have a chat about it. Let's go back in the past so you can understand where the price of Pepe has been before we get into the big question of when the next price pump will occur. The maximum graph is shown here. As you may already be aware, we snagged Pepe much ahead of schedule, just around this area. You can see the first of two early pumps for this cryptocurrency right there. This enormous Binance pump is also available. As you can see, there was some pullback around the level of 454.60 in the Pepe market. There was also some FUD, and the market is currently trading sideways near the 120 level. We saw a modest decline with this cryptocurrency, but what may spark a sustained increase in its value? Keep in mind that there are two things that will happen with cryptocurrency prices in the future. There are two main factors at play here. The first factor will be the demand for the cryptocurrency, and the second will be the supply. In case you didn't know, Pepe, there is a set amount available if we check the webpage. From what I can see, that number is close to 420 trillion. So what would be the main factor in this case? Demand is the driving factor, then. Okay. Since we are not expending any coin and there is not a large burn function like in other cryptocurrencies, the reason for the recent price increase in Pepe is purely supply and demand. So, it would be amazing if we could write the demand on the board at this same moment without making any mistakes. But that's fine. The price of this cryptocurrency is expected to significantly increase due to the aforementioned surge in demand. The rise in Bitcoin price once we increase demand is a very exciting prospect. So, if we take a look at some probable variables that can unlock demand for Pepe, the crypto, and lead to a price increase, I believe there will be a handful of considerations you need to pay attention to. First of all, I think Coinbase should be on your radar if you're interested in the cryptocurrency Pepe. So this will be the first consideration. A handful of these conditions will exist. In this video, we'll cover all of those topics and more. However, if we are able to get listed on Coinbase, it will be a huge step forward for our cryptocurrency, and the price of Pepe will increase as a result of the increased demand. Some people, like those who choose to keep all of their cryptocurrency holdings with Coinbase, they can't be expected to sign up for a DEX, and it's unreasonable to expect them to use numerous crypto exchanges. In the crypto market, there are a lot of people that aren't putting in any effort, or lazy traders. Lazy cryptocurrency traders, on the other hand, prefer to stick to a single trading platform. It's fine to feel that way sometimes. It's a clever tactic because it saves time. But if you want to find such crypto jewels extremely early, you should probably familiarize yourself with DEXs like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. That being said, you are free to laze around on Coinbase if you choose. However, I would invest time and effort into learning how to trade on a DEX since I believe it is crucial to succeed in the cryptocurrency market. Even if you're merely one of Coinbase traders, the platform offers the chance to introduce new customers to Bitcoin. A bit of a bullish trend for Bitcoin is another aspect that can obviously, enhance the price of Pepe and would create more demand. If you're not already familiar with the crypto market, let me remind you that Pepe price is a major player. As an example, if we look at Bitcoin, we know that when the market is experiencing a bull run, Bitcoin will begin to pump. If you've been following along for a while, you'll know that we've been providing crypto updates regularly. But if we actually scroll back here on the Bitcoin price, you'll see one thing: you'll see these wild pumps up as Bitcoin starts to pump. But concurrently, when Bitcoin is pumping, everyone is moving into altcoins rather than simply buying up Bitcoin min, moving on to Binance Smart Chain or Uniswap, and so on. So, if Bitcoin gains bullish momentum, the price could skyrocket. This may be related to the halving of Bitcoin's supply. In 2024, some predict that the halving would cause Bitcoin prices to soar. If that occurs, the price of alternative cryptocurrencies may rise, which in turn might boost demand for Pepe. Keep in mind that not everyone jumps in to acquire Bitcoin when its price suddenly increases. They actively seek out the cryptocurrency shops in order to acquire alternative coins. There is expansion potential if Pepe is listed on all these cryptocurrency exchanges, despite the fact that it is merely a meme coin, similar to the popular Dogecoin. Don't forget about Pepe either. There's a lot of room for this cryptocurrency to develop naturally. So, here we are again with Dogecoin and its $10 billion valuation. This cryptocurrency ranks better than others with greater practical application, and it is the great mystery of the meme coin market. That is a simple reality. This is how the mimetic dice are dealt. In other words, $10 billion. If we scroll down to where Pepe is, you can see that our current market cap is only $544 million. At this point in time, we would need a lot of organic growth to reach Doge's $20 billion valuation. So, Elon Musk's tweets on this coin amount to little more than Twitter hype. And here's a third consideration I have for Pepe. That's why I think this may be a game changer for Pepe in terms of demand. Keep in mind that a higher price is likely if we succeed in increasing demand. Let's discuss this element further. I am, of course, referring to the theory of evolution. Okay, so we've revisited this idea in earlier discussions of channel evolution. To put it simply, what is it? When a cryptocurrency decides to do something radically different in the cryptocurrency market, it is said to have mission-scoped its roadmap. Pepe has accomplished a lot in the crypto world, and their roadmap reflects that. Nonetheless, the team is open to expanding its plans. So, Pepe Lycée, the heck is that? Is the Pepe Academy up and running yet? That's a fantastic possibility. Just what are these Pepe gadgets? This confirms the existence of a tokenomics. A bridge exists nearby. But may any major tools be created that genuinely incorporate Pepe's utility? Therefore, I believe that usefulness may be a factor in this evolution. Okay. Our use case demonstrates that usefulness is increasing demand for cryptocurrency independently of any mimetic aspects of the industry. Whatever your reason for wanting or needing crypto may be, using it, holding it, buying it, etc. And that will result in some positive outcome. Pepe okay, so, it's something to keep an eye out for, and it would be, a great shame that it doesn't evolve, given that I think this cryptocurrency has got a huge community. The more it develops, the better. I'm the only one bringing it up on YouTube, but I think it's a factor that might significantly drive up the price of Pepe. More people would be interested in buying Pepe if it were more well-known. Those are the three considerations I have at the moment. Also, any of these things might occur sooner rather than later. I plan to keep an eye out for this exact thing in the cryptocurrency market. There may even be a part for whales to play. Long-term whale investors are also likely to play a role, and I know that many modest Pepe holders have diamond hands for this cryptocurrency. Pepe's price will rise if whales maintain their buying power and continue to show interest in this cryptocurrency. However, it is important to consider the possibility that whales will dump their crypto holdings on paper and send the money south. But I have to watch how things go with Pepe. Right now, I'm looking at Pepe as a long-term investment in the cryptocurrency market. And if you liked what I said, give it a thumbs up. Sign up for KuCoin with my referral link to receive free bonuses on crypto exchanges. You might receive a bonus of up to almost $3,200. In addition, Max is eligible for a few wild extras. Traders can sign up and start making deals on the spot. If you're interested in supporting my work and getting access to more content like the crypto deep dives and strategy sessions we ran for Pepe, you can become a patron on my Patreon. I've set up a Patreon and am now offering a masterclass for early buyers. This is today's freebie for Patreon subscribers. It will be available this next weekend. Those of you interested in minor cryptocurrencies and the broader crypto world can read up on it. So, as all know, we picked up Pepe relatively early, but there are going to be a ton of these tiny little cryptos, and that's sort of what I appreciate in the crypto market. And you already know which ones are safe to use and which ones can go boom. A portion of this topic will be discussed in the next Patreon presale masterclass. However, gentlemen, I appreciate your attention. Have a great weekend. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye.